Here is the information about the Puzvox 6-in-1 3D audio model, Retro Radio Recreate. It is a DIY kit that allows you to build a retro-style radio that also functions as a Bluetooth speaker, multimedia player, and clock. It is made of high-quality materials and comes with all the parts and instructions you need to assemble it. The Puzvox radio has a number of features, including FM, AM, SW radio tuner, Bluetooth connectivity, SD card slot, USB port, built-in speaker, LED display, sensor ambient light. It can also be used as a clock, with the option to set the time and alarm. The Puzvox radio is a great way to enjoy your favorite music, podcasts, and audiobooks. It is also a fun and rewarding project to build. The Puzvox radio is currently on Kickstarter and is still under development. The campaign ends on October 10, 2023. You can pre-order the radio for a starting price of $59.